see what it is. It's actually packaged pretty impressive. What y'all think? Know what I'm saying? I like it. I mean, that's pretty tough for 150 bucks. I mean, that's tough as heck. Hell yeah. All that crap that you have on my, you know, hood scoop OEM one is going to be gone. No more chips. Nice carbon look. Should look good with the Phantom Black. Pretty excited. Alright, so the sun isn't helping our case too much, but you can actually see things pretty well though. All this crap is where my self-esteem has gone down. This is why I don't come to car shows. So we're going to pull this thing off. Look how clean that is. Holy cow, my car's so clean. And we're going to put this on. So let's just kind of, you know, that should clean it up a bit, you know. Carbon will look pretty good, but just not having those 4 nasty chips just peeling away, getting larger and larger by the day, should help. So, all right, let's get started on this thing. Let's see what's going on. So the hood popped up. From what I understand, we've got 10 mils and then some clips and stuff. So let's see what this is all about. Yeah, it's pretty easy, honestly. Clip 1. Easy. Oh, this is what I wasn't prepared for, so let me get something to peel that. Alright. Cracked one already. Cracked another. Got all these on the back side. I think that's going to release it. I'm not completely sure. There are some clips right here that might be holding it in. We might just have to pop it out. We'll see what's going down. Probably a little aggressive, but we'll see what's going on. I don't care too much because my paint's destroyed on this thing. I definitely think it's this. Back comes out like that, right? That would not be good melting there. More plastic. That hit the floor, nice. Let's see what we can do here. Voila! I only broke one tab and I can slide a new one in, so not too shabby. Anyways, this is an old piece, but don't have to deal with this anymore. You know, this is a very beautiful carbon fiber piece and everything, but I'm not going to lie to you, this definitely weighs more, but it's a good looking option, and it's like not enough to really make a difference. It's probably like 10 ounces or something like that. So yeah, let's get this thing thrown on. So instead of a bunch of 10 mils on the bottom fastening this to the hood, the carbon fiber piece has all these Phillips. So I'm gonna undo these and see if that's what's gonna end up holding everything on. It looks like it is. These washers are a little small, but it looks like they're just barely gonna cover the space they need to be on, but we'll go ahead and test it out and see how it goes. Yeah, I don't think this is fitting right. I'm just checking it out and it's like pretty jank, but I want to see what happens when I fasten it down, see if it gets pulled in or something, but right now it's kind of goofy. Move over like a lot of this. This shit's so jacked up. Oops. I don't know if I'm gonna live with it or not. It's pretty freaking jacked up, man. Some jank ass carbon. It is what it is. 150 bucks from Taiwan. You get what you pay for. If that pulled it at all. Alex back. You want to see his fully built GTI? That should at least freaking does something. Pull it down. Gosh, this carbon sticks up so much. Oh well, I might live with it just because it's aggressive-ish. Dang, it is not AMS fitting. See how it's just like high right there? It's just kind of annoying. I mean, I'll deal with it, you know, it looks better. It's not like all chipped up and stuff, but I'll get another bolt in and tighten it down a little more and we'll just roll with it, but not what I was hoping for. Still, 150 bucks, can't be that mad. But yeah, that's kind of what that install's all about. I'll throw the little shield back on that I threw up there and done. So it's like a week later. I'm not gonna lie, I had to like calm down like about how bad this was. Like, it's so bad, guys. Like, I can't even tell you. Like, look at that, man. It's perfect right there at the tip, and then it's like, oh, we're gonna just, you know, lift it up 3 millimeters. It's like, I don't know if they didn't like let the resin sit right, or they started playing with it too early, or what happened, but I mean, it is what it is. At least I don't have big white dots here now, and I mean, I won't get clowned for that, but like, look at above, look at this. Look how big this gap is right here. And then like that. What in the world? Get what you pay for, man. Probably should have been like $300-400, and it was like, you know, 140 shipped from Taiwan. So, and I'm gonna start some new stuff today, so be looking out for a new video. Appreciate you all tuning in on this one. We'll see you.